హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చూస్తున్నారు లక్కీ టెక్ ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అనే బటన్పై క్లిక్ చేసి బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ట్యాప్ చేయండి.
Hi friends, intermediate first year chemistry, organic chemistry, benzene. Benzene formula C6H6, structure sp2 hybridization. Benzene preparation, chemical reaction, very important. 8 marks question board of examination. Very important. Preparation, decarboxylation of sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate plus NaOH soda lime to gives benzene Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Sodium benzoate on heating with sodium benzoate on heating with soda lime to give benzene plus Na2CO3 plus. Next one, reduction of phenol. Second preparation, reduction of phenol. Phenol reduced to benzene. Phenol plus zinc gives rise to benzene plus ZnO, zinc dust. Benzene. Reduction of phenol. Phenol reduced to benzene on heating with zinc dust. On heating with zinc dust. Next preparation, two preparations. Next one, chemical reactions. Benzene preparation decarboxylation of sodium benzoate, reduction of phenol. Sodium benzoate on heating with soda lime to give benzene plus Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Reduction of phenol plus zinc gives rise to benzene plus ZnO, zinc dust. Phenol reduced to benzene on heating with zinc dust. Okay na? Benzene preparation completed. Next, benzene chemical reactions, electrophilic substitution reactions. Overall, benzene chemical reactions. Benzene chemical reactions. Benzene chemical reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. First one, halogenation. Benzene react with Cl2, anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl to give halobenzene or chlorobenzene. Cl plus HCl, hydrochloric acid. Chlorobenzene or halobenzene. CHL, chlorobenzene. Benzene react with benzene react with reacts with halogen. Benzene reacts with halogen in the presence of Lewis acid. Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 to give halobenzene or chlorobenzene. To give halobenzene. Or chlorobenzene. Benzene react with halogen chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3 to give halobenzene. Halogenation. First one. Next one, alkylation. Next one, second one, alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene react with CH3Cl methyl chloride gives rise to anhydrous AlCl3 to gives methyl benzene or alkyl benzene. HCl. Benzene and react with reacts with alkyl halide. In the presence of alkyl halide, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give alkyl benzene or methyl benzene. Or methyl benzene. First one halogenation, second one alkylation. Benzene react with methyl chloride alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give alkyl benzene or methyl benzene, HCl. Third one acylation. Third one acylation Friedel-Crafts acylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation. Benzene react with acetyl chloride CH3COCl. acetyl chloride benzene gives rise to anhydrous AlCl3 to give acetophenone or acyl benzene COCH3. acetophenone known or plus HCl. Benzene on react with acylation. Benzene reacts with acyl halide. acyl halide in the presence of OR acid. In acyl halide in the OR acid, anhydrous AlCl3 Lewis acid AlCl3 Lewis acid yields acyl benzene or acetophenol. Acyl benzene or acetophenol acylation. Fourth one, nitration. Benzene on reactive with nitration. Benzene concentrated nitric acid HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 323 K to 333 temperature. 323 to 333 temperature. Concentrated nitric acid HNO3 nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to gives nitrobenzene NO2 plus H2O nitrobenzene. Benzene on reactive with mixture of matter. Benzene on reactive with reaction with reacts with mixture of concentrated HNO3 concentrated HNO3 nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 to give nitrobenzene. Benzene. Next to last one, sulfonation. Benzene reactive with H2SO4 gives rise to SO3 oleum sulfuric acid SO3 to gives benzene sulfonic acid SO3H plus H2O. Benzene SO4 benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene unreactive with benzene unreactive with reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4 sulfuric acid oleum forming sulfuric acid oleum to give sulfuric acid forming to give benzene sulfonic acid to give benzene sulfonic acid benzene chemical reaction electrophilic substitution reaction very important, very 2 marks or 4 marks or 8 marks. 8 marks అయితే preparation chemical reaction, 2 marks అయితే ఏదన్నా ఒకటి acylation alkylation nitration, sulfonation, halogenation. 2 marks question. 8 marks very important compulsory question, board of examination. Okay, now completed.